Hey, how's it going guys? Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and today we're actually taking a look at something really cool. This is actually a carved kit, which if you're wondering what carved is, they're basically a super cool and actually local company. They're in Indiana and we're in Kentucky, and they make really cool wood and resin based items, and they also seem to be doing some metalworking as well because they actually have like Damascus steel field knives and kitchen knives, and they have pocket knives, they have phone cases, which is kind of how they started to my knowledge. And of course they also do wallets and other similar stuff like that, and it seems like they're constantly expanding. So what we have here is the Everyday Bundle in dark green. And one thing I love is they call this the Father Day bundle, and you can see dark green. It comes in a few different colors and everything. So really, I mean, this could be awesome for really any man, woman in your life that's into pocket knives and like, you know, cool artists and things is what I call it. Because this is definitely something that, yes, you're spending a little bit of a premium, you know, on a handmade wallet or a handmade phone case and of course a handmade pocket knife. You know, a lot of people are okay with that premium because you're getting such a cool item, and in this case we're getting items, which I love. It actually comes in like this really nice, it looks like it's actually maybe laser etched box, and that looks super cool. Kind of has like a wood grain look to it. We get this little thank you thing right here. It might have like a business card or something in it. Some stickers, a carved sticker, really good for advertising. Good on them for that. They show us their social medias and everything, so it's kind of like a little mini business card that also has like, hey, are you having any problems? Did your package show up damaged? You know, shoot us a message here. Very good to have contact details. Naturally derived carved, and this is actually a business card. And it's cool because it's definitely like a unique shape. I like how it all fits in the side, this little guy right here. Super cool. Really big props to them for kind of going out of their way to figure out all that stuff. Now for the box, it looks like we have, oh, I love to see this, a nice magnetic hinge right here, which I love to see. Even on cardboard boxes, it's just super cool. And oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. So we got a sort of like, I would call it like an emerald green with like a wood grain. And so each item is matching, which is super cool to me. And the fact that each one of their items is technically handmade. I mean, it's all like a one-off, you know. I mean, each item is not going to be the exact same as the previous item. So I love to see that. I know some people might be like, oh, you know, this one has like a little knot in the wood. And it's like, no, that's a feature. That's, you know, part of what you're paying for is the handcrafted aspect. And I'm already super excited because I can see that this pocket knife here actually has a Damascus pattern to it. So I love, and I don't know anybody who doesn't love Damascus steel, but yeah, you can see just the way it reflects off the light and everything. It's just absolutely beautiful. It does have a quick flip right here, and oh my gosh, dude, that was an amazing action right there. And to get it back in, you just push this little safety right here. I'm gonna do that one more time because it almost feels like it's spring assisted. That is nice. Very, very high quality, extremely light, which I definitely love to see. I know some people might like a really, they might associate like a heavy knife as being a quality knife, but I don't always think that's true because I mean, a lot of it's based on the materials. Obviously these are inlays, so they basically probably laser cut them or use a CNC, plop them in there. We do have a really strong, I mean, I think it's like stupid strong. And I think, yeah, I don't know. It's really hard for me to tell the metal. I'll have to get out a magnet and confirm, but nonetheless, it is a super nice knife. I love the action of the way it opens. Just everything about this is definitely pretty exciting to me. And it almost feels like it's, yeah, it feels like it's magnetically held in almost. It definitely is crazy though, like how well, like you barely press it. It almost feels like it's spring assisted, so maybe it is, I'm not really sure. But I definitely am loving everything about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in here. And now next we actually have a wallet. Now I've actually never tried one of these wallets out. I think, no, I don't have my wallet on me. Wow, I'm gonna have to go grab my wallet too. But I've always been used to having like a trifold wallet where it's super thick. This one right here is a real basic one. You actually get some, it looks like O-rings. So just, you know, basically like a rubber O-ring, and I assume they're probably replaceable if you ever need to, because I see there's two tiny little like PH1 or maybe PH0 Phillips on the side that you could just, in theory, replace these if they ever wear out on you. It looks like there's a perfectly sized card holder right in here. So I assume cards go in here, cash goes right out here. So it's a basic money clip, really simple. And this whole entire mechanism comes out if you want it to. So yeah, super cool. And once again, it's just I would guess either laser or CNC cut, and then it's just put into here. All right, so we're gonna test out the money clip slash little money wallet, and what better way to test that than with some business cards? Because I was gonna use my real wallet, and I was like, wait a minute, this is going on the internet. Probably wouldn't be very smart of me to expose all my info. So it looks like it's perfectly sized for standard like ID, standard cards. I believe I read that it holds like, I don't know, like maybe 4 or 5. So this is definitely like a lot of people really love these wallets because they're like bare minimum basically, or the essentials. It's exactly what you need and nothing more. I'm digging this. So this is so that you can slide your cards out. So nice and simple. And obviously these over time, they'll probably kind of break into, so you don't have to worry about, I mean, because right now it's a little bit hard to get stuff out, but it's not like, I mean, these are business cards. I'm made of cardboard and I'm not having too hard of a time. And now we got to try out the money clips. So we got some crisp 20s right here. There we go. So that's simple enough. You're not going to be keeping any change on this or anything, but it definitely looks super sick. I mean, you would look like a G coming out at Walmart or Target or whatever and whipping one of these out, especially a PC Bros card. But yeah, definitely really good looking. And I like that you can actually, I guess theoretically you can use either way. You can push from here to get your back card out, or you can pull from here to get your front card out, which is definitely nice because I'm used to my big trifold wallet where I have to like dig through my cards because they're hidden. But with this, if you just put your card in the same spot every time, it's like instant access and you're not going to be fumbling. And it is incredibly light. A adjustable bracelet, so you know I just got to go ahead and get that on. See if I can do it without breaking it. I always got to be really careful with stuff like this. I have a habit of working on cars and forgetting that I have stuff like this on. But hey, this is meant to be durable. I mean, just look at the band on it. It looks incredibly durable. So super cool looking. And once again, it matches. I mean, this is just. It's almost like an everyday carry is what I would call this, which I love to see. You know, you got all of your essentials. You got your field knife or a little pocket knife. You got the wristband that has, you know, a little bit of usable string on it or paracord, if you will. They kind of remind me of like PC Bros where, you know, they're a local company. You never know what they're going to have. And I'm sure they can even do custom and commission-based stuff too. So definitely reach out to them. Check out their website. It's beautifully done. They have a really cool location as well that's in like a 100-year-old plus building. So everything about them I really like. There's no complaints anywhere. They have really good reviews as well. So definitely give Carved a check. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm definitely going to be using these every day. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.